guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Megan G, and for today's video, let's go out. Let's have some fun outside, and I think it's good to take you with me, guys. Let's go. Let's wait. Come here. Ganda ng gown mo, Bong. Paano nakagawa ka? We want people to see what it looks like there because it's going to rain, so we decided to just stop here instead of going to Baywalk since it's going to rain. Look at where we are right now. Tara. Ikaw, maganda ba?
Pagbag na ko nyo dito.
Online. Mura-mura lang yan dito lahat. Kita mo sarili mo dyan? Iyan. Bakit may pambili ako? Piliin mo lang ako. Pero nga ako, wala nang ano. Hindi ko na ito bitawan. Ganda kayo. Ay, pangit. Ito na lang. Hindi ko na ito bitawan. Mangutang tayo. Wala kang size? Hawak mo?
Nga, kahit ano kasi na-export ako.
Pwede mo naman dito. Hindi, kita niya na. Balat. Ano na siya dito, oh.
Kasi may mga tinilas na po. Kasi
Shoes man yan. Shoes na black. Hirap magpili.
kapag next time, hindi ko pa ito kunin ko pa rin.
Ang basa ito akin. Wala na yan next time. Palitan na yan. Kids shoes. We're in kids shoes area. My sister's foot.
Ay, meron.
This kids size. Point. Ayan na. Akala ko sandal. Ano yung partner mo ito? Paldang ano? Sige, nagtibong mo. Matutog na. Next time na.
Ba't parang maluwagan?
Maluwag ba? Malaki?
Maluwag mas maliit?
1 hour later.
What are you doing? She's eating. She's not allowed to eat. But she eat. We're going to Bay. inside in the store. But now when we go out, now let's go there. They still have it looks nice now. Look. Go to Baywalk. Yun na siya, pagkaliit na. Pagkaliit na niya. Stop there earlier and we bought something. We actually doesn't plan any something. Let's see if we find something that we like. Mayroon ka man dyan ah.
Ano?
Hindi ka bumili ng side dyan?
Pagkain.
Talaga? Kaya pala.
Marshmallow.
Pero mang share ka din. Let's go to Baywalk guys. Welcome to Baywalk. My sister's guys, she's actually it's time for her to go to work, but we ask her because that's our actually plan to come here in town today is to just visit here. But since earlier it looks cloudy, we didn't continue going here. That's why we went to a store. Look at what it looks like. It looks nice guys. It's actually 6 p.m. That's why it looks like that. Earlier when we went here, it's like 4 p.m. So we spent an hour at store. And now, since it's not raining,
Mamaya na, pagbalik ako naman maghawak.
mayos ka. Hindi na to na.
Nag-slide ka?
Nag-slide ka.
Hawakan mo kasi.
Learn from me something guys. Bakit di makita? Maraming salamat. Salamat po, which means thank you so much. So we already buy our what do you call that? Bread. And now let's find cup. Oo, siksikan.